In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make clickable images in a Squarespace website. Whether you're a business owner looking to enhance your website's visual appeal, or a creative professional wanting to share your portfolio with more interactive elements, learning how to create clickable images can elevate your site's functionality and user engagement. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Squarespace website editor. This is your control center for all things related to your site's design and functionality. You'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Squarespace account, and from there, select the website you wish to edit. This is where all the magic happens. So, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the editor dashboard if you aren't already accustomed to its layout. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the image that you want to make clickable. This can be any image currently displayed on your site that you'd like to link to another page or URL. Simply click on the image to select it. This action will prompt the appearance of additional editing options specific to the image, facilitating the next few adjustments. With your image selected, look for the option to edit. You'll usually find an edit button or pencil icon, symbolizing what you'd click next. Clicking edit allows you to make changes to the specifics of the image, such as size, caption, and most importantly for our purposes, the link attachment. Next, search for the option that says Attach Link or something similar. It might be in a sidebar or directly beneath the image options. This function is designed specifically to transform your image from a standalone visual into an interactive part of your website. Clicking here is crucial, as it opens up a box or field where you'll input the link you want the image to direct users to. In the provided field, type in the URL of your desired link. This could be another page within your site, your online store, an external blog, or any other URL you wish to connect your visitors with. Be sure to double-check the URL for accuracy. It's essential to ensure that it loads correctly to avoid leading to any unintended pages. Finally, once you've typed in your URL and ensured everything looks good, click on Save. Saving solidifies all the changes you've made, so give it a moment to process and confirm that your clickable image is now functioning as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully turned a static image into an interactive link on your Squarespace website. By following these steps, you'll enhance how users navigate and interact with your content, making your website not only visually appealing, but also more functional and engaging. Thank you for watching and happy website editing.